just check this shuts. Oh well. Just tubing an latch. Yeah, that's it done. Right then, let's have a look at the other side. Right, here you just need a new tube latch.
You're in business, aren't you?
Yeah. That's it, yeah, I've got one in the van so I can replace it for you. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So I probably have to order the car.
No. No, let me go and get one for you.
Lifespan.
Well, they had a tendency to go.
Yeah. So next time. So it's been done for about 14 years, hasn't it? 14 years.
Oh, really?
Had an extension, and that's when they put it in. And it's the only one of the ones we had downstairs that we ever really shut.
We don't ever shut any of these other doors.
It's probably used quite a lot as well.
Yeah, and of course when the grandchildren were younger as well, it was quite exciting. No, I'm talking about younger.
Yeah.
Because you always have to press on them not to lock themselves. Oh, because it doesn't matter if they lock themselves in. But,
Yeah, because you've got the little catch at the bottom.
I had an incident tens of years ago when my daughter just put a bolt on. She was tiny, getting in the bath. We always bathed her. But she got in there on her own while the taps were running and pushed the bolt on the door.
Yeah,
and I
you
was
couldn't.
trying to talk her through doing it, but I couldn't.
Yeah.
So in the end, I said,
So you just have one of these ones, so you can unlock it from the outside.
We're talking about 30 years, 40 years ago.
Yeah.
40 years it will be.
40 years ago.
Yeah, because she's 40 odd now.
Yeah.
And
Let's see if I've got one of these.
I had to buy.
Alright. That's how it looks, I think. Right, have a look, have a latch, tube latches, there we go. This other one. Unfortunately, oh, have I? That looks a bit deeper. Right. I did put one of these on. Exactly the same size. Saves any chopping around or anything. And the other one's a bit deeper. Right. There you go. Oh shit. Ugh. Okay. That should be okay.
Droning noise. Have the light on by all means, but you'll get a droning noise as well.
That's fine. Oh yeah, from the ventilation thing.
Ventilation thing.
Right. Yeah, that should be right. Right. Even latches. Yeah, that should be fine. The handle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ow, my knee. These two down first.
Almost done there.
A bit of lube. I know it's brass.
Are you independent?
I certainly am, yeah. It's just me, myself and I.
So you, what's the word? You have like a franchise?
No.
So how do you get all the... How do you get the name and that sort of thing? So
I just came up with a name.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, just one day.
I thought you must be part of a big franchise.
No. Not part of a franchise. So let me just check this shut. Yeah, that's it, all done. Yeah, no, not part of a franchise. Just one day I decided I want to set up on my own.
Yeah.
Then I had to think of a name.
Yeah,
I used to work for a company called Barnet Lock Centre. So they were based in Barnet. And I thought I didn't want a name which made me static to one location. So I thought Active Lock Centre.
So were you from North London?
Yes, originally, yeah. But I like moving. I like it further out.
I was from Hornsey originally.
Oh, right.
And he's one of the Spurs fans. for my sins.
Yeah, well, it's just around the corner, isn't it?
And I was a teacher and
Oh, wow.
started near Southgate Tube Station.
Oh, yes.
And I was then in Enfield for a few years before I ended up in Hemel Hempstead for years and years and years.
And then moved to here. So, well, what a good choice you made, eh? All right, then. Let me just check it from this side. The only thing is the actual plate on it is brass, because I didn't have a chrome one.
On the side of the door?
Yeah. So it's where the edge bit there. So it's whether it's a big deal to you or not.
No.
No, I don't think it would be. So it works, which is the main thing.
You can assume that I'm not worried about that in this side.
Yeah.
So that's great.
So, but it works a treat. Yeah, that's it.
And